It's just going to be a quick video, as I promised, of the BR20 GoRhino rear bumper on a 2013 Ram 1500. I did the BR5 up on the front, and once I got the GoRhino BR20 and mounted on, I figured I'd do a video. I've had it on for about 11 months, so I've been able to kind of evaluate it. These are the side, both passenger and driver side rear step mounts, so you can get up into the bed. Makes you feel like you got a Chevy for a little bit. And then I've got the Rigid Industries here for you got LED rear backup lights that can be mounted there. The difference on a lot of these for the Dodge Rams is going to be the cutouts for the rear exhaust, for the dual exhaust. So you have those there, and you can see what that looks like. Got 3/4 inch toe hooks here. Got cutouts. There's your electrical. If you want to use a ball hitch, then your receiving hitch there. A couple extra areas for cutouts, and then just around, so you can look at that. And I think it has a pretty nice aggressive view from the rear. Much more masculine, more angular versus kind of the rounded Dodge look. So, hope that's helpful for everybody. There's not a lot of videos out there with it, other than what like Real Truck and a couple other, wholesalers. But there's just not a lot. I think GoRhino's got a few from when they did the SEMA show. I think it was 2016. Well, I figure I'd go ahead and put this up, help folks out, and go ahead and look at my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. Leave some feedback. Bye.